Hello guys, welcome to CK's Tech. Guys, in this video we are going to see 6 secret phone settings you should try. There probably isn't a person now who hasn't gotten an absolutely indispensable smartphone in their pocket. However, there aren't many people out there who know about all the amazing things these devices are capable of. Today, we would like to end this vicious circle and tell you about 6 fascinating features of Android. Number 1, control your smartphone with head movements. There are situations where you just have to use your gadget, but your hands are otherwise occupied. Or it's just too cold outside to take your warm gloves off. However, there is a solution for this. After installing a free app called EVA Facial Mouse, you'll be able to control your Android device with movements of your head. Sound impossible? Well, give it a try and see the result for yourself. Number 2, smartphone remote control. Just go to Settings, then Security, then Device Administrators, and check the boxes next to Android Device Manager. Remotely locate this device and allow remote lock and erase. Now if you lose your smartphone, you can locate it and block it without losing your data via a special website. Well, that's pretty cool. Number 3, screen magnifier. People with poor eyesight often have no idea how much this feature can help them. Just go to Settings, Accessibility, Magnification Gestures. Then you'll be able to zoom in on any part of the display just by tapping it. Number 4, hotspot mode. No, this is not going to show you where the best dance club is. It's about internet access. You needn't buy a separate 3G modem or a router to use the internet on different devices, because your smartphone can do this easily. Go to Settings, Tethering and Portable Hotspot, and turn on Portable VLAN Hotspot. That's it. Number 5, the easiest way to save your battery power. If you choose a black or simple dark background for your screen, the automatic pixel highlighting will turn off, and you'll notice that your device keeps its charge for much longer. This feature isn't available for all Android devices yet, but it's already implemented on most Samsung smartphones and tablets. Note that this method will significantly improve your battery life mostly in OLED screens. Give it a try. And, number 7, text-to-speech. Not only can you read this article, but you can also listen to it, if you have an Android device. So, if you prefer to hear incoming information, rather than see it, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and turn on the text-to-speech output option.